We're going to go ahead and talk about how you can share or submit your GeoGebra file onto Canvas. So the first thing is you have to know where create your GeoGebra file, and then on the upper right hand corner we're going to click on these three bars and save it. I'm going to call it GeoGebra project, and then I'll put my last name in there. You can leave it as private so not everybody can search your file, and then click on save. Once you have done that, I'm going to go up here and I'm just going to make a new tab. And what I'm going to do is type in geogebra.org. So geogebra.org. Since I'm already signed into my normal GeoGebra page over here, see how I'm signed in down here? It says my name. That means when I type in geogebra.org, my name should already show up here. So I'm automatically signed in since I was already signed in on this other tab. What you will do in here is you'll look for the project. I have a lot of other files, but this one is the project I was saving to share. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the little three dots here next to the project I'd like to share, and I'm going to click on share. It will take a moment to bring up this page, but next thing we're going to click on is embed. It says to share it with others, we have to change its visibility. So let's actually change it to shared with link. So only people who have this link will be able to see your project. This button over here actually allows you to copy this code in the middle, or you can just select it and copy it. Doesn't matter which way you go, but I'm going to use this button. So it's already copied to my clipboard now. And here's where I need to go to Canvas. So let's go over to Canvas. Wherever your teacher houses their assignments, that's where you're going to look for it. So I'm going to click on, let's pretend I'm turning in the parallelogram. So now I'm in the assignment for in Canvas. In here you can kind of read through some of the things I'm saying before you turn in your project, reread through the rubric, make sure everything is okay and you have everything you need. There's a video here or a packet. This is the video you're watching right now is the video I'm referring to that we're going to use to properly embed the GeoGebra assignment in Canvas. And then we have to make sure we submit it just in time. So I'm going to click on submit assignment. So if you recall, I have this embed code copied right now onto my clipboard, and what I'd like to do is turn it in. The one step that is really important is clicking on HTML editor. If you do not do that, this embed code won't actually work. So I'm going to click on Control V. I will paste my code in here, and then I'm going to submit my assignment. Once you have done that, you can click on submission details up here on the upper right hand corner. It will show you what I actually see on my end. So if you didn't click on that HTML editor button, I wouldn't be able to see this. Notice I can also move around your points to check whether or not your shape is what I really want it to be. This is a bad example because this is not a parallelogram, but that's what you need to know in order to turn in your assignment. Over here on the right, you can also add comments. You can say, Ms. Horn, please look at my parallelogram and see how it's going, something like that. This will give me a reminder to look at what you have, and then I'll try to comment back with what I see.